Hi friends and viewers, welcome to Nachi's YouTube channel and this is me, Chef Nachi. So this is the first time I'm revealing my face with the request of many viewers, and initially I have started my YouTube channel in the name of Nachi YouTube channel Tamil, and I have posted almost 85 videos. So if you are a Tamil viewer, you can watch me out in Nachi Tamil. And most recently I have started my English channel and I have posted almost like 5 to 6 videos, and so I thought of revealing my face, and now you all come to know why my channel name is Nachi. Yes, because of this. So in a happy note, today I want to start up this session with an excellent unique preparation of cookies. It's a peanut cookies. It's going to be very interesting. Let's watch out. Before going into the recipe, please do give me a thumbs up so that this video will reach out to many people, and don't forget to subscribe, and also don't forget to click that bell icon. Okay, let's go into the recipe. The interesting fact about today's cookie is I'm going to show you this without oven. So let's see how it works. So let me tell you the measurement for this cookies. It is very important for any baked cookies. And I have took peanut around 200 grams and 120 grams of all-purpose flour, that is maida, and powdered sugar, or we can call it as icing sugar, that is of 75 grams. So if you want me to tell in cup, then it is going to be like 2 cups of peanut, 1 cup of all-purpose flour, and 3/4 cup of icing sugar or powdered sugar. Then I have took 30 grams of butter, 1 teaspoon of baking powder or baking soda, either one, and 1 teaspoon of salt. Then I'm going to use 1 egg, but we are going to use only the yolk of this egg. With that, I'm using 40 ml of cold milk. So as a first step, we are going to roast this peanut. Actually, it is a raw peanut. So I'm adding it in the hot pan. Let me roast it for like around 5 minutes. And once we roast it, I'm going to peel this skin off. After 5 minutes, now you see the color of the peanuts become dark brown, and you can feel the good flavor of the roasted peanut. So that shows our peanut is ready. Now I'm going to switch off the flame, and now I'm going to peel the skin off just by crushing it. Peeling the skin off, our peanut looks so nice, golden brown. So now I am adding this in the jar. Now we are going to blend this peanut and our 75 grams of sugar both together. So what happens is, the fat content which we have in the peanut and the moisture content which we have in the sugar helps to bind it like a dough. So now I am going to blend this together. Let's see after blending. Now see, this peanut and sugar mixture, after blending, it looks like this similar dough. So this is going to be like a stuffing for our cookies. And always when sugar and peanut combines together, it will give an excellent taste. I love to taste just like this. So let me keep this aside, and now as a second step, I'm going to mix this room temperature milk, and I'm going to separate the yolk of this egg. So we need only the yolk. Just separate the yolk. That's it. Now I'm adding this egg yolk along with the milk. Keep this egg white aside. We don't want to use it. Now I'm mixing the egg yolk nicely along with the milk. Just whisk it just for 2 to 3 minutes. After mixing the milk and egg, let me keep this aside now. Now I'm going to mix the flour. So before that, I'm going to sieve it. Along with the flour, I'm adding the salt and baking powder which I have took. In this, to give a little sweetness to the dough, I'm adding 1 tablespoon of powdered sugar. Now what I'm going to do is just sieve it so that the flour mix along with this baking powder and salt in a very even way. After sieving, now I am adding the melted butter which I have took. Just add everything. Now by using a spatula, just mix it nicely. After mixing the butter along with the flour, see, the mixture looks like crumbly. Now at this stage, we need to add this milk and egg mixture, that is of egg yolk. So I'm adding along with this. So this forms a dough-like consistency. And what we are going to do is give it a good mix. It will form a thick dough, and I'm going to clean wrap it, and this has to be rest in the fridge for at least 30 minutes. this is the dough which we made it now. It looks soft. So now we are going to refrigerate only this portion of dough in the fridge. And this peanut mixture, it is going to stay outside for 30 minutes. So once this is refrigerated, then I am going to take it out. The reason behind this is it holds the shape of the dough. So let's do it. I'm going to keep this in the fridge. After 30 minutes, let's see. After 30 minutes, let's see our dough. See, it is tight and it holds the shape. So that is the reason we refrigerated. Now, what we are going to do is, I'm going to divide this dough into 4 equal portions. This white portion of the dough is going to be like a ribbon shape. I'm going to spread it with a belen. And this peanut mixture is going to be the stuffing inside. Let me show you. Spread it in a length ribbon like shape. Just spread it. Make sure it is lengthy. And now we are going to divide this peanut dough also in the 4 equal portions. So each one it's going to be, and now I'm going to shape this like a ribbon shape. It has to be of similar length. And now this rope like peanut dough is going to be inside this ribbon shaped white portion, and I'm going to cover this. Just roll it, cover it. See, just seal the edges. See how it is. So in a similar way we have to do all these 3 in the same shape. Then I'm going to show you how to cut this. So let me stuff this also in a similar way. Now see, I have made everything in a similar like a ribbon like shape. Now I'm going to show you how we need to cut this. So it's our own creativity. You can cut it in any shape, but to give extra eye appealing, what I'm going to do is I'm going to give a slant cut at the corner. Now just give a little gashes on top. After giving a gashes like this, now I'm going to give a small slant cut, a bite-sized pieces. Now see, you can see the double color. Inside we have the peanut stuffing and outside this white part. It's going to be excellent eye appeal. So now I'm going to bake this, and while baking I'm going to cut this and keep it. So for baking, as I said you earlier, I'm not going to use the oven. I'm going to use this vessel. So in this I already preheated. So it is very important to preheat the vessel before we are baking. So almost 10 minutes I have preheated the vessel. Inside I have kept the grater or any stand you can keep it inside. Now use a cake mold. In this what we need to do is just brush some oil or butter in it to avoid sticking. So I have dusted some flour in it to avoid sticking, as I said you earlier, with little brushing of oil. Now I have arranged, give enough space for each cookies. Now in the preheated vessel I am going to keep it inside. Now cover it, and we are going to bake it for 15 to 20 minutes maximum. Like it takes 15 minutes, and I have kept the flame in a very low. So if you are baking it in oven, then you're supposed to bake it for 340 degree Fahrenheit or 170 degree Celsius. Now let's see after 15 minutes how it has came out. While my first batch is baking, I have cut all the remaining dough also in a nice diamond shape cookies. So now I'm going to open this first batch. Let's see after 15 minutes. See how nicely it has came out. I can feel the good flavor of this peanut. So I'm going to take with this. See, without oven we have cooked these cookies in a very excellent way. In a similar way I'm going to do the second batch. In the next 15 minutes our second batch is also ready, I hope. See, it has came out in an excellent way. I'm going to take out this also. And the very important part is regarding no matter of this cookies, in the fact any cookies, we need to wait for at least 15 to 20 minutes. The cookies has to come to the room temperature to serve, because then only we can get the right texture and the crispness for the cookies. So let's wait for another 15 minutes, then I will show you how to serve this. Now our peanut cookies is ready. See the double color, inside there is a brown and outside it's a white part, and it is going to be a very excellent cookies, trust me. It's crispy because I have waited around 15 minutes. So once it comes down to the room temperature, now I am tasting it. It's really very excellent, and the peanut flavor, it's out of the world. So for sure, I guarantee you that if you try this cookies, and it is going to be in the repeat mode in your kitchen. So please try out this recipe and let me know how it has came out in your kitchen. Thanks for watching my video. Keep supporting, keep subscribing, and don't forget, star cooking is always possible at home. For that you need to do only one thing. Just follow the bar Nachi. Thank you.